In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make YouTube to recommend your videos. Now, if you are that creator and you are posting videos on your channel, you are not getting the views, you are not getting the subscriber, you are not getting the traction, then this video is for you. Now, take a look at this. You can see that the first traffic this video was using to get views is through YouTube recommendation. Now, if you know that you are uploading videos, doing everything possibly well as a creator, putting your work, your hard work in creating your content, and at the end, when you post it on your channel, you ended up seeing 5 views. Frustrating, right? That is because YouTube is not pushing your videos, they are not recommending your videos. But I got a good news for you. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to make YouTube to recommend your videos. Even though you are a small channel or a big channel, but you are not still getting that views, then worry no more. I'll be making it easy for you to break it down for you. Just this simple thing you would do, and you start getting traffic. So without wasting your time, let me just walk you through immediately and show you what you are going to do to start getting that recommendation. Okay, so come with me right now. I want you to come over to your YouTube. Yes, I'm in this particular site. Okay, now once you come over here, you click on your profile this side. Once you click on it, I want you to click on your video. Now once you click on your video, now it will bring you to where all your videos, both your short, your live, your playlist, your posts. Now what I want to show you here is that you are going to pick one of your video and click on this three dot you are seeing at this right hand side. Click on it. Once you click on it, now you are going to see this share. Now click on this share. Once you click on this share, now you are going to see copy link, quick share, and create post. Now what we are going to do here is that we want to copy the link of that video, then post it to our community tab. Yes, I know a lot of you have heard about community tab, but don't worry, let me tell you that you can actually get YouTube to recommend your videos. You can get views, you can get traffic from this community tab. And the beautiful part is that so many creators are not talking about it. They are only talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch hours. And you know that for you to get subscribers and watch hours, YouTube, you need to recommend and push your videos first for you to get that views, which will not get you the subscribers and watch hours. Yes, and another beautiful part is that YouTube is pushing videos from this community tab, and a lot of us don't know about it. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you now. All I want you to do is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you watch this very video to the end, because at the end you are going to thank me later for making this video for you. Okay, so now what we do is to click on this copy link. The link has been copied. Now we are going to head over to our community post. Now for you to get over to your community post, you click on this plus sign. Once you click on this plus sign, now you can see this community post. Now, so what you are going to do is to come here. Over here they say post an update for your fans. Yes, you paste the link. Some of you that are using this community post might just copy the link and they will click on this post and they will just post it like that. No, it is not done that way. If you post it like that, you are not going to get any traction, you are not going to get recommendation, and it will not trigger people to watch the full video. Okay, so all you have to do is you are going to put something exciting, like something interesting. It can be a picture, it can be thumbnail of the video, it can be the picture of yourself, or you can just use Canva or ChatGPT to design a beautiful picture that can catch people and make people to click that link. And not just only the picture, you will also add a write-up. Yes, not just anyhow write up. You need to make it to be friendly in a relatable way. You can say, watch this video to get 1,000 subscribers and thank me later. and thank me later. Okay, now once you have written it, it will make people to be curious. They will be like, I should watch this video to get 1,000 subscriber and thank him later. Like, how will I get this 1,000 subscriber? Like, if I watch this video, okay, I will get 1,000 subscriber. That means what this person is actually saying is true, and I will even thank him later for for helping me to get 1,000 subscriber. Now once you have added it, you come over to this gallery icon, this middle one, or you just look from what YouTube will be suggesting from you. You can just see any of the thumbnail. Let me just use this one for example. Okay, now it will load. Once it has loaded, now can you see that this community posts have helped you to also get traffic from this video? Because if you're posting on your community tab, you will be getting traffic and also be getting views and also traffic from your long form video. Okay, while you are getting from community tab, you are also getting from the main YouTube recommendation. So once you have imputed the picture or the thumbnail or whatever that can be catchy, the next thing is to click on this post. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how it looks like and tell you how many likes and comments I might be getting in this particular post. Okay, once you click on this post, then it will be posted. Okay, I'm not going to post it because I don't want to repost this thing again. Okay, so now once you have posted it, let me take you to your community tab so that I will show you the magic this particular community tab is doing. Let me just go back. I'll click on start again. Okay, let me go back. Now once you go back, come over to your post. Now can you see how many likes I got from this particular community post? 15 likes, and I was able to get what? One comment. Now by the time you keep doing this every time consistently, you will start getting traffic from your community post, and YouTube will not have any other choice than to push your videos to the right people. Okay, now can you see here they say, hold on, don't give up on your YouTube channel just yet. Can I be honest with you? I know how painful it is to keep creating videos. Of course, it is painful to create video while after it, while your watch hours barely move. I have been dead. So just make sure you put, it can be long depending on how lengthy the write-up is. Just make it relatable, friendly, and impute the video words, the video link. You can also put your playlist depending, but the way you strategize your video on your community tab determines how well YouTube is going to push your video. See, on this YouTube is not the hardest for creators, it is the simplest for smartest creators, and those smartest creators are the one winning on YouTube. Yes, you can be posting consistently and at the end you are not getting the views, but the way you strategize your video, the way you strategize your channel will make YouTube to recommend your video to the right people. Okay, so go and try this method. As you can see, this is what I have been doing on every of my channels. Sometimes I'll add pictures and you see it, and I'm getting engagement, views, recommendation. Sometimes I will ask pull and question and all of that. So go and try it, and trust me, you'll be start getting YouTube to recommend your video. As you can see, this is what I have been doing and it has been helping me a whole lot. So go and try it, and if you find this video interesting, do it to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.